we are going to talk about estimating in math by rounding to the nearest 5 and to the nearest 10. And here's what that means. So if I have a number, I'm going to take, and it's not 5, 10, 15, if it doesn't end in a 0 or in a 5, because those numbers are really easy to add with or subtract with, I'm going to round and change that number to the number that it's closest to, that it does end in either a 0 or a 5. So here's an example. Here I have 4 stars. So I'm going to round that. 4 is really close to 5. I'm going to round it up to 5. Now I have 6 hearts. 6 can round down to 5. 5. So I'm estimating that I have about 5 stars and about 5 hearts. So my estimated total is 10. Now, if I was going to come up with the exact total, I would count the numbers exactly, figure out, okay, I actually have 4, and I actually have 6. 4 plus 6 actually happens to be 10. In this case, my estimated total was the exact same as my exact total. But that doesn't always happen. Let's try over here. Here I have, a ton of stars. I'm going to estimate I have about, I have 4 going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 coming down 4 times. So I'm going to estimate I have about 20 stars. And because 20 ends in a 0, that's an easy number to work with. And I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to round that to 5, because that's another easy number to work with, and it's super close to that number. So my estimated total is 25. Now my exact total, let's see, 1, 2, 3, let's count all these stars. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13. Looks like I have 16 stars and 6 hearts. 16 plus 6 is 22, which is pretty close to my estimated total. I guess I could have also estimated that there are about, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. It's pretty close to 15 stars. So I could have estimated that as 15. And 5, which would have given me 20, which is also pretty close. So I could say my estimated total it's about in between there. And it is in between 20 and 25. Now, let's look at some numbers that are a little bit bigger. Let's try this equation. 38 plus 47. 38, we're going to round it to the nearest 10. 38 rounds to 40. 47 rounds to 50. 40 plus 50. Well, I know 4 plus 5 equals 9. And 0 plus 0 equals 0. So 40 plus 50 equals 90. Okay. So my rounded numbers, or my estimate, is 90. I'm going to estimate that it's about 90. Now, my actual answer, 38 plus 47, equals 85. So my estimation was pretty close to my exact answer. I could have also rounded 47 to 45, because 5s are also very easy to work with. Let's try another one. 22 and 58. Now, 22 I'm going to round down because 22 is a lot closer to 20 than it is to 30 or to 35. So I'm going to round it to 20. And 58, I'm going to round that to 60. So 20 plus 60 equals 80. And 22 plus 58, ooh, this one also happens to equal 80. Okay, this time, my estimation and my exact answer were the same. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it doesn't. More often, your estimation is used to come up with an answer that is close. All right, have fun estimating.